Hello everyone, my name is Fahad Makhsusi, and as a well-wisher of the Indian National Congress political party, I'd like to address a message to the higher officials and each and every worker of the Congress party in the Telangana state and as well the nation. I'd like to start my message by congratulating Anumala Revant Reddy Anna for taking up the position of TPCC president and looking forward to his selfless services which shall eventually glorify the party's incredible decision. As you all see that after Revant Anna's appointment, it is very much evident that in everyone, especially in youth, an evolution of remarkable energy is seen. And I recently happened to speak to one of my political analyst friend who was telling me that, he admitted to me saying that after so many years, he is seeing Telangana now witnessing the old Congress once again with full of passion, enthusiasm, and commitment. Therefore, such is the statement coming from him, speaks the volume itself, and we wish to see it continue, which is very much possible by simply considering every party worker as a core member of the party. And I request the higher officials of the Congress party to please never ever ignore or disregard the struggles made by its workers who may not hold the offices in position, but in reality, I strongly believe that party workers are the backbone of any political party. Imagine a worker as a candle, and lighting up more candles brings more brightness, and party workers struggle is pretty much similar to burning of a candle. Without burning itself, a candle won't be able to kill the darkness. Similarly, without party workers struggle, no political party can rise to success. Well, it's time to re-emerge as the strongest political party in the state and the nation, and it is only possible by maintaining strong brotherhood, unity, and most importantly, which I strongly believe, is ability to sacrifice. Yes, I say that ability to sacrifice because a lot of times we see that there are very many contenders for very few positions, and not everyone can be accommodated, but the party has to take some tough decisions to fill the positions, which unfortunately sparks an opportunity for the rival political parties to take advantage of the situation and start creating rumors to mislead the unselected nominees and portray a rift within the party, which unluckily sometimes leads towards the groupism and develop divisions, after which still some genuine party workers continue with the clean heart, and some continue unwillingly having no other options to leave, but they don't intend to give their 100% later on, and some join the oppositions, making the party weaker. Therefore, sacrifice, I believe, is very much important. Imagine, had our forefathers not sacrificed their lives, we would have never enjoyed the essence of freedom today and live in the largest democracy of the world. As simple as that. Therefore, people who have the vision to give a better nation to the upcoming generations are the ones to always sacrifice and continue to strive regardless of any situation and become the volunteers of liberty, peace, and unity by dissolving all negatives with their positive actions. Therefore, looking forward to more vitalizing actions of Indian National Congress Party in the state and the nation, and may the poor be the beneficiaries of your success. Thank you very much for listening to me. Jai Hind.